Diyos marahay na hapon mga katiwala. Father Iaw Sevilla po ini. Ngunya na Martes, atong petsa yan, petsa 14. Petsa 14 kan bulan na Oktubre. So, halos kabangaan na kang bulan. And then, madali naman matapos ang bulan. Madali unang aldaw, mga katiwala. So, 2 weeks from now, November na. So, yaon tabi ang pagrumdum takan, All Saints Day on November 1 and All Souls Day on November 2. So, yan ang mga anuhan tapang niya na mga selebrasyon sa laugkan sa tuyang simbahan. And then of course, ngunya na bulan, we are having the Rosary Month. So sa man lambang mga parokya, yaunan mga aktibidad in relasyon digdi ang pagpangadji kan Santo Rosario hapon-hapon, depende sa parokya kung minsan aga, minsan hapon. So syempre ang lead commission digdi and Commission on Worship. So mga katiwala, salamat tabi sa mga suporta nindo, So kan nakaaging kang nakaaging concert, kang nakaaging Biyernes, Salamat po sa mga naghiling, asin salamat sa mga nagsuporta sa muya, May aabangan pa po. There is may aabangan kita sa December. Panamit lang na. So sana matuloy. So mga katiwala, kumusta tabi ka mo, So padagos po ang pagpamibita sa mga katugangan tangyaon sa so mga naapektaran kang recent na sunod-sunod na linog, sa Cebu, sa Mindanao, and of course, so mga naapektaran man kan mga nakaaging bagyo, so ipamibinat sinato sinda. We offer ours, we offer our rosaries, as we pray the rosary. We offer it to them, nasulugod na siring sa tuya, gabayan, asin bantayan sila kan kagurang na mayo maning maraot na mangyari sa inda, sa mga asin makabangon sinda sa inda pinagaagihan ngunya na mga panahon na ini. So mga katiwala, all we need to do, yung pinaka-importante tang ipinaka-importante tang pwedeng gibuhon ngunyan, is just to pray, magpamibi, that is the only thing that we can do, magpamibi tani na ilikay kita kan kagurangnan sa mga manlain-lain na katibaadan, asin lugod na mabantayan kita. So we offer our prayers to everybody affected by the recent calamities na nangyayari. So yan po, siring kan, when was that gospel? So persistent prayer, so yan ang last Friday, not last Friday, when was that? Thursday, yan so gospel kang daily mass kang Thursday, so persistent prayer, ang mahal na Diyos ang inaano sa satuya na we must be persistent in our prayers, and of course all our prayers are offered to God through Jesus Christ. So mga katugang, mga katiwala, siguro magayon na balikan niya to, ano ang rason kung ata kita nagpapamibi kan Santo Rosario and sa inhali ining debosyon sa Santo Rosario, tanganing magkaigwa kita ning magayon na magkaigwa kita ning appreciation digdi. This is one of the devotions, important devotions in the Catholic Church, because the praying of the Rosary, kadakod kan mga apparitions ni Blessed Virgin Mary na nagtataram, the message is always to pray and pray the Rosary. So importanteng maray iyan sa satuyang buhay, tabang sa satuya, sa satuyang pagtubod, asin pagpararom kan satuyang prayer life. So in times of need, in times of trouble, in times of difficulty, there is nothing we can do but to pray, and of course praying the Holy Rosary. So in the Christian in Catholic tradition, mga katiwala, praying the Rosary, yaw na sa early Christian prayers, So praying with the beads, yaon man lain-lain ng mga religion, igwaning mga siring na siring na mga practices, na practice using beads and to count the prayers, dates back to the pre-Christian times pa, maski before the Christianity, igwan ng mga siring na practice, and it was adopted. Siring kabaga pigpaparataram ko sa liturgy, there are some liturgical practices that we have adopted from early Christianity, from ancient traditions, meaning what would it mean by ancient traditions, goes back before pa kan pagdatong ni Jesus Christ. And in early Christian prayers, early Christians used knotted ropes to count repeated prayers such as the Jesus prayer. So, igwan ng dating And in the Middle Ages, yaon na ang pag-develop kaniya na so Hail Mary, so Pater, the Our Father, and there is a big role, kaya baga po ang patrona kan mga Dominican, si Our Lady of the Holy Rosary, because Saint Dominic they had a vision, according to tradition, Saint Dominic received the Rosary in 1214 after a vision of the Virgin Mary, who presented it as a tool to fight the heresies. So this was a magpahiling, the message of the Blessed Virgin Mary to Saint Dominic. And in historical context, Dominic and his followers, the Dominicans, spread the devotion throughout Europe. So kaya mailing po tabaga po so mga Dominican order, igwasin da perming dakulaon na rosary sa indang belts, igwasin dang mga rosary, because it is from their patron saint, Saint Dominic, na nagkaigwaning nagpuon kaining pagpamibi kan Santo Rosario through a vision. So, and then as the history of the church grew, in 1571, Pope Pius V established the Feast of the Holy Rosary and standardized the 15 mysteries into 3 sets: the joyful, the sorrowful, and the glorious mysteries of the Holy Rosary. So in 1571, kay Pope Pius V established the Feast of the Holy Rosary and started the 15 mysteries. And in recent time, we know through the encyclical of Pope John Paul II in 2002, he added 5 more mysteries, the mysteries of light, the luminous mystery. So the joyful mysteries, we know the joyful mysteries: the Annunciation, the Visitation, the birth of Christ, the presentation of Jesus in the temple, and the losing and finding. Importanteng maray itong the finding of Jesus in the temple. Kaipuhan po na ang losing and finding is one saro siyang event, the losing and finding of Jesus in the temple. Kaya po we are always corrected bako na the 5th joyful mystery is the finding of Jesus in the temple. Kaipuhan yaon so event previous to that, the losing and finding, kasi baga po it was in the sa mystery of the life of Jesus, kang nagdumansinda sa nagpilgrimage, so Holy Family duman sa Jerusalem, so they went to do what was the practice, and when they were going home, pag-una kan sa mga magurang kaiba ninda, for 3 days they traveled and thinking and realizing that they nanako kasi Jesus, nagbalik sinda, as in hinanap si Jesus duman sa temple. And the ni Jesus, I am here in my Father's house. So kaya and that is one of the sorrows of the Blessed Virgin Mary. No? So, kaya po, the losing and the finding of Jesus in the temple. No, that is the fifth joyful mystery. No? So, yan, mga katiwala, babalik po kita pagkatapos ni nagkapirang paisi.